Hey there. So I get a lot of people calling in who believe that they want a simple will. Okay. They've heard about a simple will either from a friend, relative, maybe someone who sells other financial products, and they want a simple will. But what I do realize with a lot of the people who think they want a simple will is they don't really want a simple will at all. So as soon as they hear about the consequences of what they're asking for based on their specific family dynamics, there's always a, oh, but I don't want that to happen. But oh, I want this to happen. And so a lot of the times it sort of knocks them out of a simple will scenario. And it's not even by way of convincing them it's not in their interest. It's by discussing the basic consequences based on their family dynamics, their financial assets, what they want to happen to their kids after they're gone. All those things, when combined, okay, once they're educated, informed, allows them to make a decision that typically, isn't a simple will decision. Um, so, the first step, I think, in all families who are looking to start protecting themselves to keep their assets and their family out of conflict and out of court is to discuss what the different options would be when setting up your estate plan. Right now, the state does have a plan for you. Okay, it's based on state law. Someone passes away without an estate plan, they're going to have to follow this process and this formula for determining who gets what, when, and where. Okay, now if you want to take that power away from states, away from the government, and set up an estate plan, there are different options depending on your family dynamic, depending on your financial situation, depending on whether you have kids. Maybe your kids are minors, maybe your kids are adults. The planning may be a little different based on where you are in life right now. Okay. But until you start researching it on your own or discussing it with an attorney like myself, you still may be stuck in the in the mindset of I need a simple will, whatever that is. The idea of a simple will, um, they don't teach you that in law school. I mean, it's up to your imagination what a simple will means. It just means like a cheap will where everything goes to A, B, and C. The problem with that approach is one size doesn't fit all, and you're probably not going to like the outcome of a simple will, or at least most of you are not going to like that outcome without additional planning to make sure that that simple will makes sense for you. So there you have it. That's today's video. Hope you learned something. Thank you. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you next time.